Yeah, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to share one of the positive news, one of the positive update with you with respect to the IT job market, and that is that we will be seeing 1.5 lakh of new jobs by 2026. So let's see that analysis in detail. What are the factors that we have considered for the same? But before that, let me share one detail with you. So we have created a package with respect to the testing interview questions. So you will get all the testing interview questions that can be asked with respect to Git, Java. If you can see, Apple testing, test automation interview questions are there. EPAM test automation interview questions are there. Test plan, test strategy, everything that is asked in the companies these days, all those products you will get. If you combine these products and if you purchase them, you'll be getting it by nearly 1499 or 1399. But if you avail this package in which all the products are there together, it's a combined package discount, it would be available at 899 itself. So you can avail this package because the job market would be booming. Job market is going to rise very soon. Now let's see what is going on these days in detail. So I'll be putting the link of this particular package in the description as well as in the comment section of the video, so you can avail it. Okay, so now let's see what's going on in the market. Okay, so if you see the normal IT companies, you will be having the TCS, Infosys, right? All these companies are giving you the normal hike, right? Maybe 2%, 3%. Some of these companies are not at all giving the hike also. They have asked the candidates to sit on the bench only. So there is lower salary hikes in the traditional IT services. Okay. Now, if you see with respect to another perspective, there are GCCs like Global Capability Centers. These kind of companies are nothing but, if you see, product-based companies, startup-based companies. So all these companies are coming into the GCCs. So these particular companies are there, right? These kind of companies are giving good amount of hike. These kind of companies are having good attractive offers for the employees, maybe work from home or maybe hybrid. If you see, compared to the TCS, Infosys, they have started calling everyone back to the office. And if you don't go to the office, you will not be given the variable pay as well, right? That's shocking. So these GCCs, they have continued hiring despite market slowdown. So market has got a bit slowdown, but still GCCs are hiring, and there are more and more roles coming up. And if you see into the Naukri.com also, the number of job opportunities with respect to GCCs are increasing, right? And there is a lot of competition with respect to the packages as well. Let's say one of the GCC is giving you the package as, for example, 12 LPA, another GCC is giving you the offer at 15 LPA. So a good amount of increase. Whereas if you have this kind of discussion with a TCS company or any company with such line, they'll tell you we will be able to pay only X amount only, even though you have showcased them the offer from another companies or another organizations as well. Still, they will tell we will be continuing with this package only. Whether you want to join or not, it's your call. So these kind of things are happening. So GCCs are attracting more and more employees, and there is a lot of demand with respect to artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing. And if you see in testing also, there's a lot of demand of automation testing. So if you have the experience of 3+ years, 3 to 5 years of experience you have, and you have got automation skill set, Selenium, Java, API automation, or you can say REST assured, so all those skills, all those things are in demand. So what is happening is there is more and more demand with respect to the automation, with respect to the digital skills, AI, machine learning, cloud computing. So people who are getting into the GCCs are having these kind of skill set as their backup. They are having this kind of primary skills along with them, and that is why they are getting selected. They are getting shortlisted. So the attrition definitely would be going down by financial year 2026, and 1.5 plus lakh of jobs would be expected by 2026 in GCCs itself. So that's a very good number, and it's a very good thing that you would be able to see. Now, from where can you learn all these things? AI, ML, cloud computing. So you'll get those things from Coursera, Udemy. If you are preparing for automation testing, you can avail the package that I just showcased to you on the top mate. That would be beneficial to you. That would be helpful to you, because these kind of products, these kind of packages we have created to assist the people who are going for the interviews for the software testing. And if you don't refer these questions, there are chances that you might not get idea what you would get in that particular interview, and then you might not get shortlisted. So I would request you to avail that package and make the maximum use out of that particular package, because all the questions that are asked in the companies, whether it's an MNC company, it's a product-based company, everything has been covered there itself, right? So you would be able to get the questions along with the answers and with the real-time examples so that you are able to answer them in an interview. Okay. So all these analysis have been done based on the recent numbers that we have got from the company with respect to attrition, with respect to the employee bonus, with respect to the salary hikes, right? Now, April to June is one of the peak period in the IT companies where hikes are given, right? In some of the companies, the hikes are given in October or November, right? So these kind of hikes are given, and from that we have analysis and we have done the analysis and we have brought this particular content with you. So GCCs are the one who are reshaping the IT career landscape in India, and they are the ones who would be making sure that the things go smooth, definitely in the 2025 as well as better in 2026 itself. Right. So in 2025 also, if you see, the job market has opened now, and the job openings are coming with respect to automation testing. So if you are having a knowledge of one of the programming language and automation tools, definitely you will be getting the calls, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to avail this package, which is available on TopMate. Let me reshare those details with you. Okay. So within this package, you would get a lot of testing interview questions and answers. If you can see, rest assured is there. How to explain OOPS concept in your automation framework, roles and responsibilities of automation tester. Selenium test automation framework is there. Explain your contribution in automation framework. And MNC companies based testing interview questions along with answers. So those have been provided, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.